All right, so let's go ahead and do a real life application problem. Okay, a one-way bus ride costs $1.75. A 30-day bus pass costs $42. Write and solve an inequality to find the least number of one-way rides you must take for the 30-day pass to be a better deal. B. You ride the bus an average of 20 times each month. Is the pass a better deal? All right, let's focus on part A for now. All right, so I need to write and solve an inequality to find out when is the least number of one-way rides I must take for that 30-day pass to be a better deal. In other words, how many rides? So how many rides is it going to take for that $42 to be cheaper than if I pay $1.75 for each ride? All right, so if I'm riding the bus many times a month, this is probably gonna be the better deal. If I only ride it a few times per month, that's probably gonna be the better deal. But it wants to see, but I need to figure out which, I need that exact number to figure out when that's a better deal. All right, so I'm gonna write and solve an inequality to find the least number of one-way rides. So that least is my keyword for my inequality symbol. Okay, so I'm gonna write in words where the price of a one-way ride times the cost of the number of one-way rides is more than $42. All right, it's more than $42 because it says to find the least, so it's got to be at least. So whatever it wants to know what when it wants to know what is going to be the least number of rides it's going to take for me to reach that 42 mark price mark. Okay, so my variable is going to be the number of one-way rides because everything else is given to me. Price is given to me, and the cost of 30-day pass is given to me. So R is going to be my variable. Inequality. All right, so now I'm going to just take my words and put it into an inequality. So the price of a one-way ride is 175 times the number of one-way rides, which is my variable, the unknown, is greater than $42. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and write it out over here using algebraic. I'm going to get rid of that multiplication symbol. So 175. Erase that. 175 R, get rid of that time symbol, is greater than 42. Right? So now I need to divide both sides by R, and I get divide both 175 divided by, or both sides divided by 175. All right, these cross each other out, and then so I'm left with R is greater than 24. 42 divided by 175 is 24. So if I take, so what that's saying is, if I take more than 24 rides, it's going to be the better deal to buy that 30-day pass. Okay, so let's go put in an answer. So I already solved it. So answer, 175 times R greater than 42 is my inequality because it said write and solve, and the inequality is R is greater than 24, and I'm at is, and R is greater than 24 is the solution. All right, part B. Part B, you ride the bus an average of 20 times each month. Is the pass a better deal? And the answer is no. Okay, because it's not more than 24, right? So it wants to know 20. If I'm only riding 20 times a month, then that 175 is probably gonna be the better deal because I'm not exceeding that 24 rides. Let me show you that. Let me go ahead and review a couple problems. Let's say I ride. Let's go. I ride 25. Let's go with 20 rides. 20 rides. Oh, sorry guys. 20 rides, and let's say 25 rides. 25 would be more than 24. I'm just using these examples to show why it's a better deal to not buy the pass if you're riding less than 24. So if I have 20 rides, I'm going to say I'm multiplying times $1.75 per ride times 20 rides, and that's going to come out to $35. All right, so if I ride 25 times, it's $1.75 per ride. All right, 25 times. All right, I'm coming out to, so multiplying, sorry, multiply multiplying 175, $43 and 75 cents. All right, so which is more than that $42, and that's what that is showing. So as long as I ride less than 24 times, it's a better deal to just buy the 1-day pass. All right, I want you guys to go ahead and try this one on your own. It's slightly different. It's only one step. So really the key thing is break it down, understand what you got to do, write and solve the inequality to represent the number of times someone can drive an alligator alley with $50. And pay attention to the sign up there. Also, you will see this again. You will see this again. All right. All right, so we're going to give this a shot.